Hello guys, I'm back with another video, and in this video I'm going to show to you how we can make the color grinding effect in a picture. Just as we see in here, I got this picture from a website. I will leave the link in the description box below, and basically we are going to try to make this kind of effects, and we are going to apply this effect to any photos that we like. So as a first step, you just need to open the photo that you'd like to apply the filter on, and let's go on. As a first step, we are going to go to the adjustment layer and we are going to choose, let's see what the first one, channel mixer. So where is channel mixer? In here. And what we are going to do is that we are going to the output channel, which is going to be blue, and we are going to make the blues to 0 and the greens to like 100, and after that we close this channel and we are going to choose hue and saturation. In here we are going to select the reds, and as the first step we are going to change the saturation, let's say up to 50, yes, and hue like 20. So as we see right now, we are going to have almost the effect that we want, but still we are going to do some adjustments to that. And now we are going to choose levels, and in here we are going to put this value for like, let's say 40, and the output levels again like 40. And as we see right now, we have almost the effect. But what we are going to do is that we are going to add a final touch to it. So right now, create a new group and put all these layers that we created in this group. And now what we do is that we hide the group and we select the background, and now we go to select, we choose color range, and to the select method we are going to choose skin tones, and make sure that the box is marked for detect faces, and keep the fuzziness up to, let's say 40. It's going to look good. So we click OK, and now after we've done that, we are going to go to group, turn on the group and add a layer mask, and we see the effect is gone right now. But what we are going to do is that we are going to select image, we are going to go to adjustments, and we are going to click invert, or basically Ctrl+I, and we are going to see that we have the effect that we wanted, and the effect is achieved. So this is the same thing as this in here. So thank you very much guys for watching. We are going to see each other in another video. I hope you like this guys. Please give it a like, sub and comment down below. Thank you very much.